Hey everyone! Have you ever been captivated by the vibrant colors of a cuttlefish? Today, we're diving into a fun and colorful makeup tutorial inspired by these incredible sea creatures. Get ready to add a splash of underwater magic to your eyes. You might be wondering, why cuttlefish? These fascinating animals can change their colors and patterns in an instant, making them a perfect source of inspiration. This eye makeup look will not only brighten your day but also spark your creativity to play with bold colors. 1. Cuttlefish are renowned for their stunning displays, showcasing vibrant shades like blues, pinks, and greens. By incorporating these colors into your makeup, you can create a striking look that truly stands out. Reference, Source 2. Just like cuttlefish form unique patterns on their skin, you can experiment with different designs on your eyelids. Think stripes, spots, or wavy lines. This adds a fun and personal touch to your makeup. 3. To achieve that vibrant look, blending your colors seamlessly is key. Start with a light base and gradually build up your desired shades, mimicking how cuttlefish transition between colors. 4. To capture those bold cuttlefish colors, it's essential to use high-quality eyeshadows. Look for vibrant pigments that will pop and last throughout the day. 5. Don't forget to check out images of cuttlefish for ideas. Nature is a fantastic artist, and you can recreate some of those mesmerizing patterns and colors right on your eyes. Now, let's get into how you can achieve this look today. Start with an eyeshadow primer to ensure your colors stick. Choose your main colors inspired by cuttlefish, maybe a bright blue and a lively pink. Apply the lighter shade all over your eyelid. Use the darker shade to create bold lines and patterns, blending them well. Finish off with some mascara and a touch of glitter for that extra ocean sparkle. Be careful not to use too many colors at once, as this can create a muddy look instead of the beautiful, vibrant effect you want. And don't forget to use makeup remover at the end of the day. Your skin will thank you. And there you have it. A cuttlefish-inspired eye makeup look that's sure to make you the star of any event. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun makeup inspiration. Happy blending! https thesea.org Cuttlefish Colors Fretta
6A0DC78C472F75B0D C3B457C10AC7521A67206A4AC1613DC1.
Hey everyone! Are you ready to dive into a vibrant world of color? Today, we're bringing the stunning beauty of cuttlefish into your makeup routine with an eye look that's sure to turn heads. Makeup is all about self-expression, and there's no better way to showcase your personality than with bold colors and unique patterns inspired by nature. Cuttlefish are masters of camouflage, using bright hues and intricate designs to stand out. So, why not take a cue from them and create something truly eye-catching? Cuttlefish can change their colors in an instant. For our eye makeup, we'll focus on rich blues, greens, and purples. These shades not only brighten your eyes but also add a fun twist to your usual look. Just like cuttlefish display patterns on their skin, we can experiment with different shapes. Think swirls, dots, or stripes. This is your chance to let your creativity shine. The magic is in the blending. When applying shadows, mix different colors to mimic that cuttlefish effect. Layering helps create depth that makes your eyes pop. Don't forget those finishing touches. Glitter, rhinestones, or faux eyelashes can add that extra flair, just like the cuttlefish's glowing display beneath the ocean waves. 1. Start with an eye primer to make the colors pop and last longer. 2. Pick a bold blue, a deep purple, and a vibrant green. 3. Use the lightest color all over your lid as a base. 4. Blend the darker colors into the crease and outer corner using small circular motions. 5. Use a fine brush to add fun patterns with the colors, just like a cuttlefish. 6. Add some glitter or rhinestones for that extra sparkle. Don't forget mascara or lashes. It's easy to overdo it. Start with a little and build up as needed. Harsh lines can ruin your look. Take your time to blend those colors seamlessly. Without primer, colors may fade or smudge throughout the day. Always prep your eyes. And there you have it. A fun, cuttlefish-inspired eye makeup look that's both bold and beautiful. Don't hesitate to experiment and make it your own. If you try this look, share it with us in the comments or tag us on social media. We can't wait to see your creative versions. You can add your sources here once you have them. Hey everyone! Are you ready to dive into a vibrant world of color and creativity? Today, we're exploring cuttlefish-inspired eye makeup that will truly make your look pop. Cuttlefish are not just fascinating ocean creatures, they inspire incredible beauty trends. Their bright colors and unique patterns allow you to express your personality through makeup. This tutorial encourages you to step outside your comfort zone and have fun with your look. 1. Cuttlefish can change their colors in an instant. Their natural beauty inspires a lively palette for your eye makeup. Think bold blues, deep purples, and shimmering golds. These colors not only brighten your eyes but also add a playful twist to your overall appearance. 2. Just like cuttlefish showcase stunning patterns, you can incorporate fun designs into your makeup. Mixing matte and shimmer eyeshadows creates depth and dimension, while layering different textures mimics the beauty of these incredible sea creatures. 3. You don't need a ton of fancy brushes for this look. A good eyeshadow brush, a flat brush for detailing, and an eyeliner brush will do the trick. These tools will help you blend colors smoothly and create intricate patterns that reflect cuttlefish beauty. 4. The best part about this cuttlefish makeup inspiration is the freedom to experiment. Mix colors you wouldn't normally choose or try different eyeliner shapes. The more you play around, the more artistic and unique your look will become. 5. Start with a lighter base color across your eyelid, then build up with bolder shades in the crease and along the lower lash line. Don't forget to blend well. Cuttlefish are masters of camouflage, so blending is key to achieving that seamless look. One common mistake is applying too much color too quickly. Start light and build up gradually. Also, avoid overloading your brush with product. It's easier to add more than to take it away. Lastly, remember to set your makeup with a setting spray to keep those vibrant colors in place all day. So, are you ready to unleash your inner cuttlefish? Grab your makeup brushes and get creative. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more fun beauty tips. We can't wait to see your cuttlefish-inspired looks. Tag us on social media.